Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to use the remove duplicate function and what it does and Clean Rows Excel add-in developed by Gamai with BizGalleries. So from the drop down, select remove duplicates and you will see all the properties and functions that you will need for removing duplicates. Now, why we need remove duplicates? Let's assume that we have this data set. We have the vendors to which we have sent checks and the description for the check and the invoice number for which we made the payment and the check number and the amount. Now let's assume that there's a big invoice and we are paying that in installments, or we are paying as we are receiving the goods for the invoice. In that case, you can see that there are three checks. Check number 12, there are three checks, 96, 966, 967 and 968. They're all issued towards the same invoice number. Which is invoice number 12. This might be a case where we are paying in installments or where we are paying as we receive the products. So in this case, let's assume if we want to see the total, if we want to remove these two duplicates and sum up the total amount to see like exactly how much we have paid for this specific invoice number. There are multiple ways of doing this in Excel, but if you're a data analyst, if you're analyzing the data, this is the most efficient and the best way to clean up your data, remove the duplicates and have the accurate total. So if I do remove the duplicate, I should have one line for invoice number 12, and the total of that line should be 874 and 96 cents. So let's try that. So unique value column, which is our unique value column? The unique value column is column C, the invoice number, because we are removing duplicate based on this invoice number. If it see that it's duplicated, not unique, then it will sum up the total. Then the value column, where the amount is, where the column is that we want to sum up, and that is the column E. And what is the sheet name? Sheet name is company book. That is fine. So let's say execute. As you can see, now we have single row for invoice number 12, and the sum total is matched and all the duplicates are removed. It is very useful in cases like let's do it on a smaller number like 92. Let's say that we have invoice number 16 mentioned here, and again we have invoice number 16 right here, invoice number 16 right here, invoice number 16 right here, right here, right here. So as you can see, we have multiple invoice number 16. If I filter out on this, if I filter the invoice number 16, I have 9 of them, and the total amount is 9,380.39 cents. So now if I do remove the duplicates, let's see what it does. Going back to our Clean Rows tab and remove the duplicate, execute. Okay, now again if I filter on invoice number 16, it should be a single row. Yeah, that's it, and the total is summed up. So this is one of my favorite tool for cleaning up the data with Clean Rows, and we will keep adding functionality to these add-ins to make Excel more easy to use and more effective and more efficient for your company. Thank you.